Bafethu Nguta Cruz has been involved in so many different football structures across his career, helping clubs create long-term balance, Bafethu. So that is what Kaizer Chiefs needs right now. I think this is why Mchita, he was such a state Kaizer Chiefs. Because remember, Neti Pacha at time in Morocco, he was going specifically for let's drop Bafethu to rebuild in Moroccan football federation structures, Bafethu. So this may be the one who's going to change Kaizer Chiefs, other than Abonabi with the coaches, Sesame Shem, Semegek number 3, Kaizer Chiefs. Something I can get for a very long time. Now, why Chiefs are bringing this guy? When you look at the Kaizer Chiefs over the past few seasons, Bafethu, now you look at the several problems that we were facing. Now it is clear that Mchita maybe was one of the critical areas. Player recruitment has been inconsistent with Kaizer Chiefs. Now the transition from youth to the first team, now talent Kaizer Chiefs. It doesn't want as it's not potential, not talent, but I think Kaizer Chiefs is not working hard enough to look out for others to gel with these boys, with Ilan Lukabi's experienced players or quality players. Let us go out there, sign players, spend money. So this is where